how to defend yourself from an angry mob wielding Victorinox Classics. Now, at first, this is going to seem like an impossible task, but what you need to do is stay focused. What you need to do is quickly observe the approaching mob for distinguishing characteristics and behaviors. Turn your back to the mob and start shouting whatever it is that they're yelling about. Mess up your hair and dishevel your clothes according to whatever you observed so that you can blend in. No, you're not actually joining them. You're living to fight another day, my friend. Live to fight another day.